Here we have the Galaxy Tablet A8.4, which is Samsung's latest low-cost Android tablet with LTE connectivity. It's an affordable cellular alternative to the iPad mini. So could this be the cheap 4G LTE tablet we've been waiting for? In this video, we're going over key features, seeing who this product would actually be good for, how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Despite the dwindling Android tablet market, Samsung is no stranger when it comes to tablets. They've produced some great ones over the years, and for the most part, it looks like the new tablet A8.4 can be added to that list, especially when it's priced at around $250 depending on your carrier. There's a lot to like about the new tablet A8.4, from its speedy performance to its great HD resolution display, to its impressive 10-hour battery life, and of course, in addition to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you also get 4G LTE connectivity. We loved that we didn't have to keep hotspotting our tablet from our phone every time we wanted to use it, or risk privacy and security by joining open Wi-Fi networks. With the 4G LTE, we could basically go anywhere and stay connected, making it ideal for streaming our favorite music, shows, and movies. It was a far better experience than watching on our smaller phone displays, and it was a breeze to browse favorite websites and check up on social media accounts. The build quality follows Samsung's reputation for solid builds. It features a premium lightweight metal design, giving its 1920 by 12,000 pixel resolution or 8.4-inch display a sleek home. It would have been great to see an OLED display panel in here like its more expensive siblings, but we found the LCD panel was still great. It had details that popped and images looked much sharper than compared to its competing tablets. This is thanks to the Tablet A's impressive pixel count. We found images and videos were vivid and extremely clear. Plus, the dual speakers provided impressive and spacious surround sound for private viewing. We found it's actually smaller than the previous iteration, making it extremely slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold with just one hand. At the moment, it's only available in one color option, a mocha color metal finish, which actually makes it look a bit more premium than just having your standard black or white. You get a decent 5 megapixel front-facing camera and an 8 megapixel shooter on the back. The back camera can also record FHD video, which at least matches the iPad mini's pixel count from the rear camera. The standard 32 gigs of internal memory wasn't anything to write home about, although you can still upgrade all the way to 128 gigs. What we did love was the option of having a micro SD slot for an additional 512 gigs. The downside was only having 3 gigabytes of RAM. Especially for a tablet coming out in 2020, that's low even for an entry-level model. For Android fans, it's a little disappointing that the Tablet A8.4 ships with Android 9, even Android 10 is a little bit old news at this point. So what's the verdict? Although it can't go head-to-head with the iPad mini, the Galaxy Tablet A8.4 certainly brings enough to the table to seriously tempt those not fully entrenched in the Apple ecosystem, and at an affordable price. If you're on Android already, or in the Samsung ecosystem, it's a great value option that packs an impressive amount of features to keep you connected while on the go. That's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We review tech in a simple, straightforward manner for the average person. So if you want tech reviews made easy, be sure to subscribe. Check out the description for links and find the most up-to-date pricing. Till next time, I hope you have a great day.